A storage site housing Gulf of Baghdad's ballot box from Iraq's parliamentary election in May has caught fire, just days after Parliament demanded a nationwide recount of vote, drawing calls for the election to be rerun. En Interior Ministry spokesman said later the fire was confined to one of four warehouses at the site. Stage Television said the ballot box were being moved to another location under heavy security. Authorities did not say whether they believed the fire was deliberately set, but its timing undermined the results of an election whose validity was already in doubt. Fewer than 45% of voters cast a ballot, a record low, and allegation of fraud began almost immediately after the vote. Prime Minister Haider al-Abadi, whose electoral alliance came third in the election, said on Tuesday that a government investigation had found serious violation and blamed Iraq's Independent Election Commission for most of them. Parliament mandated a full manual recount the next day. The Independent Election Commission had used the electronic vote counting devices to tally the results. A recount could undermine nationalist cleric Muqtada al-Sadr, a long-time adversary of the United States whose bloc won the largest number of seats in the election. One of Sadr's top-aides expressed concern that some parties were trying to sabotage the cleric's victory. Salim al-Jabouri, the outgoing Speaker of Parliament, said the fire showed the election should be repeated. The crime of burning ballot box storage warehouse in the Ruzafa area is a deliberate act, a planned crime, aimed at hiding instances of fraud and manipulation of vote, lying to the Iraqi people and changing their will and choices, said in a statement. Jabouri narrowly lost his seat in May and had been one of the strongest proponents of a recount before the fire. His call was seconded by Vice President Iyad Alawi, the leader of the electoral alliance Jabouri ran a part of. Top Sadr Shia al-Assadi said the fire was a ploy aimed at forcing a repeat of the election and hiding fraud. Whoever burned the election equipment and document storage site had two goals, either cancelling the election or destroying the stuffed ballot counted among the results, tweeted. Judicial takeover. The fire took place at a trade ministry city in Baghdad where the election commission stored the ballot box from Al-Ruzafa, the half of Baghdad on the eastern side of the Tigris River. Baghdad is Iraq's most populous province, accounting for 71 seats out of the Iraqi Parliament's 329. The seat was divided into four warehouses, said Interior Ministry spokesman Major General Saad Mahan. Only one, housing electronic equipment and documents, had burned down, said. Firefighters were trying to stop the fire from spreading to the remaining three warehouses, where the ballot boxes are stored, said. It is possible there were also some ballot boxes in the warehouse that caught fire, but most of the important boxes are in the three warehouses, where the fire has been controlled, said in a video message from the site of the fire. The law mandating a manual recount also mandated the board of the election commission be replaced by judges. Earlier on Sunday, the Supreme Judicial Council, Iraq's highest judicial authority, named the judges who will take over replace the commissioners.
The council also named judges to replace the commission the local chiefs in each of Iraq's 18 provinces, another measure mandated by parliament.